Hello everyone, this is Bryant with SFFTsource.com, your premier guide to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. It is roller coaster rodeo weekend here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. That means there's tons of ERT, there is a water park day, there is behind the scenes tours, there's multiple meals. It's a really fun 3-day event. It is hot, so it's good to kind of pace yourself. And we're going to kind of give you the highlights of this year's event. There's lots of new things going on, lots of new backstage tours. We will try to cover that as much as we can, and some of the other little special surprises that I'm sure they will sprinkle in. So, without any further ado, let's head into the park. And we have made our way into the park, and you can see here you've got ticket sales and guest relations. If you go to the right of that, you'll see signs for roller coaster rodeo registration. So you just head in through there into the little indoor area they have over there, and they get you checked in and all set up with your welcome pieces, your lanyard, your shirt, all that stuff. All right, we're all checked in, and I ran some of this back out to my car just so we don't need to have to carry it all day, but here's this year's roller coaster rodeo shirt. This is the back. It is moisture wicking this year, which is great. And also this year, we got a sweet little roller coaster rodeo pin. And we've got 1 hour of free gameplay at E6 Gaming. And then of course your lanyard for the event. I love the roller coaster rodeo lanyard. I use it pretty much year round. But this is just the beginning. Let's check out some of the other fun stuff we have going on. And our first stop for roller coaster rodeo is here at Zaragoza Theater for the welcome reception.
Alright, well, let's give them a warm welcome as well to my beloved deputy, Alamo Annie. Come on, Alamo Annie! Alright, well, I think maybe Alamo Annie's feeling a little shy tonight.
Whoa! Welcome back for those that have not been a part of this event. This 3-day event is going to be a lot of fun. We have a lot in store for you. Now, just kind of a few things to go over before we start our adventure. My name is Jorge. Some of you already know me.
And of course, beginning this evening as the sun goes down in Crack Axle Canyon. So as you heard Jorge talk about, we're all going to have fun and behind the scenes of our beautiful Superman Krypton Coaster during the golden hour when the sun's beginning to set. Some really great photos, lots of fun ride time, but make sure that by 9 o'clock you are in Crack Axle Canyon, because we know when the sun sets, horrible things truly begin to happen, which only means more fun for everybody.
Stop station here in Crack Axle Canyon. Kind of the third part of the first day is like a freight night. So I don't know what's going on with the train, but I'm very suspicious.
Diabolical has ordered a trainload of monsters to arrive into town. And, well, more importantly, she's kidnapped our town's beloved deputy, Alamo Annie, and she's also kidnapped Alamo Annie. What? Is that Dr. Diabolical up there? Whoa!
Interrupting is one of my favorite pastimes. San Antonio Sam is precious Alamo Annie.
Don't do it, Sam! It's a trick! They got me tied up, but don't you worry, Sam! Hey, you hold this. I'm free, Sam! I'm free!
You fools! You let her go! And these creatures live off of fear!
Wait, creatures!
Goodness! Oh, goodness!
Night one is slowly concluding at an ERT on Roadrunner Express and Iron Rattler, Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger, some of the other flat rides over here, and of course the 2 haunted houses. Very fun. Slaughterhouse 6 Extreme had tons of monsters in it. Got monsters out on the walkways and of course lots of fog. Oh, we got a little monster over here. I can see him. I don't know where he's going. He might be trying to leave. Oh man. Whoa. I think she's trying to give the monster a drink. He's hot. Oh yes. Very good. Yes, drink up, monster. Drink up. Oh, he wants a hug. Oh no, there's an alien. It's an alien! It is day 2 of Roller Coaster Rodeo, and we have started the morning here at the Picnic Grove for a big Cowboy breakfast. We had scrambled eggs, bacon, refried beans, potatoes, sausage, all kinds of stuff. Very good, very filling, and pleasantly surprised by how good the food was. It was so good I forgot to even show y'all. So here pretty soon we're gonna have all kinds of tours, so stay tuned. It's about to get really toury. So this year we put a group together to do some of the games. So first game gonna be balloon dart. We each get a dart. We gotta pop a balloon. So close. All right, 3 out of 4 of us popped a balloon. Now we've got to play rebound. You got to get the ball in the box, but it's very difficult. I am really bad at that rebound game. Did not get one single ball in, but I might be able to win the water shooting game. We'll see.
Is gonna get those 10 points. So let's see who's gonna get it right here, because we're gonna be starting it in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, number 12 with a great start. Everyone else a little slow off the line, and it looks like number 12 is gonna be our winner. All right, this side is our winners. Congratulations, guys, you win those 10 points. We won!
All right, let's see if we can keep this win streak going. We've got to hook a duck now. This looks intense. These ducks have like beanies on, and it's really hot outside. It's making me uncomfortable.
Oh, there were 3 in there? I got number 1.
Yeah. Look at that athleticism.
You gotta scoop up 3 ducks. Oh jeez. Oh, that's more than 3. Next up is going to be the basketball game. Hopefully we can nail this one. I only got 4 points on the ducks. Not good. All right, we did not do well on basketball. Didn't make any of those in. And now we're going to another incredibly difficult game, which is ring toss. It's a very much a game of chance right here. Next up, we have a behind-the-scenes Iron Rattler tour, which means we're going to be going up on the quarry wall. So, super unique experience. We'll see how it goes with the heat. It's definitely nice and warm. All right, we made it up the super steep hill. And now it's just the sun, which is behind clouds right now, so we might get lucky. Woo!
Yeah, people are gonna start questioning why we're up here.
And the other fun tour we're getting is Zaragoza Theater. So you can see fly rail up there, all the wine sets that hold set pieces, lighting, all of your electrics. Of course, the stage is out that way. Tons of wing space in this theater too. Very well equipped.
Well, how did we get straight to the tall spot? What is going on?
And our other kind of big behind-the-scenes tour today takes us back behind Wonder Woman. We were very close to Pandemonium over there. You get a fun look at Fireball. And we're also going to get to look at the Splash Water Parade floats while we're back here, which is really fun. Also getting a very fun backstage look at Pandemonium too. So views you would never get to see just a normal visit to the park. So here is a look at some of the Splash Water Parade floats. Now, when they did this at Over Texas, they had 3 floats. They have expanded it to 5. So there are a couple new floats, and it'll start here at Fiesta, Texas, and then mid-July it'll move up to Over Texas. And yeah, you can see that guy spraying everywhere. And we're trying to stay out of the splash zone with our camera. Here's another look. You can see the fish just shooting water everywhere. I remember the big dog from Six Flags Over Texas during the first iteration of this. So good to see the dogs back. This one right here is definitely a returning float, but we go this way. Got this fun little rubber ducky one with like a little whale on it. Shooting water everywhere. Very fun. And then of course the dragon was here originally, so you can see the dragon down there. Lots of fun. And we are on to our next adventure, which is some more Rodeo rivalry games. I'm really happy that we decided to do these because we didn't actually do these last year, so these have been a lot of fun. All right, what we're doing here is trying to dunk Park President Jeffrey Siebert, but so far, nothing. He's being pretty kind though. He's not really antagonizing anyone. If I was him, I'd be like, "You suck," but I guess he's being a good sport. I missed him by about, I don't know, a foot or so, but got some promising candidates. Just missed him. Oh, he's starting some mild heckling. Mild heckling. All right, for science, we're gonna test this. Oh, it does work. Okay. Very good. Very good. All right, we know it works. All right, our next game is horseshoes, which you can see a little bit more challenging because it's like these big, not so solid horseshoes. So I don't know how we're gonna fare on this one, but they're giving it the good old A for effort. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, not even. Ooh, that's rough. Next up, we got this like wild skee ball blow up thing. Works like normal skee ball. You just gotta try to get into the holes. These have been really wild, these games. It's a lot of fun though. Oh man, gotta get the bullseye on this one. Not too bad. And last but not least, we've got some steer roping going on over here. This is a rough one. This is, I think a lot of people are having a tough time with this. Oh, she might have the horn if she can, I don't know. Okay, looks like that's good enough maybe. Nice. We have eaten our big rodeo dinner, which was very nice, very filling. We talked about the skill games, and our team didn't win, but that's okay. We still had a lot of fun. But actually, we're gonna kind of go off script here. We actually have a chance to get over to the Glow-A-Go-Go Kids Rave that's over in Thrill Seeker Park. So we're gonna run over there and catch that really quick so y'all can see what that looks like since we didn't get it in our general update. And it is now time for Oh What a Night, which is the brand new fireworks show. And we're really excited about this. We do have full park ERT after this, but I think this is where we are going to leave you all tonight. So enjoy. Alright everyone, that does it for this look at Roller Coaster Rodeo. We didn't show you everything. There's just so much to do. I recommend if you enjoyed the things we did, then check out the event next year. It's definitely something that they're going to try to keep doing every year. And we also have a little bit of an esports segment tomorrow morning. And I'm going to do a whole video about the E6 gaming complex. So be on the lookout for those. It is technically part of Roller Coaster Rodeo, sort of, but it's going to be its own video because it'll be a lot of information as well. We got one big surprise tonight with the drones in the Oh What a Night fireworks show. So that's a thing now. It's going to be in the show, so make sure you come out here on Saturdays and check it out. It really added a lot. The show's longer. It's got a little bit more, you know, what's the word? Varying elements. It's a little bit more intriguing, I think. The drones are really fun because they're kind of right on top of you. A lot of parks have done drone shows, but they're kind of off in the distance. But here, it's really on you. It's a lot more effective. So highly recommend. It was a lot of fun, and it was a really fun surprise. If y'all have any questions about Roller Coaster Rodeo, Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, let us know in the comments below. Also, check out sffftsource.com. That is our huge guide to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. You'll find information about the history of the park, all the rides, dining, everything. We've redesigned a bunch of stuff, help it flow a little bit better in mobile view. So make sure y'all check it out. I met a ton of y'all this weekend, so make sure if you see me at the park, come say hi. It was great to meet all of you, and we thank you all, you know, for your continued support. It means a lot. Thank y'all for watching. Take care. We'll see you soon.